Hello, 7-1. I am downstairs at the family learning session, so remember today you have a sub. Let's look at our proficiency scale to see what we're working on today while the sub is in our class. First, you should be done with these 3 boxes on your proficiency scale. If you are still getting multiples and factors confused, I really encourage you to look at the bonus opportunity in Schoology. You also still earn tickets or a bonus point for doing that bonus opportunity to make sure you learn it. Today, we're going to continue to work on divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10. Specifically, you're going to dive deeper into why they work. We know the rules, they're in our notebooks, but we're going to dive deeper on how they work. All right. So today in class, there's going to be 8 problems on your desk. You are going to read the cover sheet, read the paper on top, the colorful paper on top, and then you are going to work alone or with your table partner to solve those problems. So you're going to work alone or with your table partner. If you do not have a table partner, you should not be shouting at the sub right now to ask who you can sit with. You need to wait patiently and raise your hand. It is at the sub's discretion whether you can move seats or not. The sub can also tell you to move back to your original seat. You need to be focused on your math work when you work with your partner. When you do the problems, try to go in order. It is okay if you go out of order, but try to go in order. You may notice around the room there are hints posted. You can go check the hints around the room if you are stuck. This is not a graded activity, so it is okay to skip a problem, but only skip a problem if you truly cannot do it even with a hint. Some of these problems might seem challenging, and if they are, you can skip it. But again, if you're skipping a problem, make sure you check the hint first. If you answer a problem, check your answer using the answer keys around the room. Don't just look fast, but read it and make sure you understand, is your answer correct? For problem number 5, you need to use your Chromebook. There is a video posted in Schoology. Remember that things in Schoology are posted under CW if we're using them in class for class work. So for problem number 5 only, you may get out a Chromebook and work on problem number 5 by watching the video that's in there. You do not need to get a Chromebook now. You can wait until problem number 5 to get a Chromebook. When you are done with problem number 5, put the Chromebook away or close it at your desk. If you finish all 8 problems, you are welcome to work on your Khan Academy homework. Now, your Khan Academy homework is not a random video. It is not your learning path. I assigned a specific video about divisibility. Divisibility. Okay? So if you are taking notes on anything else, that is not your homework. Your homework is notes on the video that I assigned about divisibility. So do not go to your learning path. Go into your assignments in Khan Academy. This is a different place. All right, do your best. And one final thing that might help you today, okay? A lot of the problems that you are going to be doing today deal with proving that disability works using decomposition, okay? So that means if I have pieces of a number and they are all divisible by something, this is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2. Then the whole number is also divisible by 2. This idea comes a lot. So if it tells you to explain your thinking today, you can explain your thinking by showing me each piece of a number is divisible by 2. So take that knowledge with you into your activity today and work on your 8 problems.